behind Josh Vickett's house. This isn't really a sea, and it isn't green. In fact, the green sea isn't even real. However, the Galapagos Islands are. We now take you to a special report with ABC News. Own Roger. That is Mr. Rogers.
Hello, I'm Mr. Rogers, and welcome to my neighborhood. This is the Galapagos Islands, a vast range of islands, about 13 of them. But they weren't always that way. There were once one huge landmass, but today they are separated. Why, you ask? I will show you. As I was saying so very long ago, the Galapagos Islands were once one large island. They would look something like this.
This is a dramatization.
Does that look right?
You forgot one.
After the Galapagos Islands started splitting apart, the finches were spread across the islands, and they started taking traits based on their environments. Such as this island would go over here, a specialized finch that would eat the vegetation of this island would be on this island, but found nowhere else, because it evolved from the main species of finch, which was on the main island. And as another island would separate, it would have a new species of finch for eating small insects or nuts. And then as other islands evolved, other finches went to them, and yeah, the same thing kept happening. The other islands, and that's evolution. And yeah. So the finches that need to suck the nectar out of the flowers would have no way of doing this, because their beaks have not evolved to be long and pointy, which is ideal for sucking nectar from the flowers of cacti, which is the plural form of cactus. Thus, these species of finch that did not evolve would be wiped out forever, gone, because of evolution and natural selection. But I'll get into that next time. Welcome to Next Time. Natural selection would select certain species, such as the short-beaked finch that I just talked about, to either die out or increase in population. For instance, on this island here, the short-beaked finches might thrive because of nuts to crack or bugs to eat. But on this island, they have nothing to do because they have to suck the nectar out of flowers, and they can't because they don't have the right beak. So natural selection will take a species and either wipe them out or make them flourish, or just make them into two separate species, which is evolution. The island separated over time. Scott, I'm gonna tell you.
I didn't do it!
I know where I left off.
Idiot.
Right about now, you may be asking yourself. Right about now, you might be asking yourself, why is evolution important in today's modern society? The answer is, change is good. For instance, if a certain species of finch were to not evolve, if they were to have short, stubby beaks, when they were to go into the flowers and suck the nectar out,